haul. So this is going to be a combined haul of both Dollarama, so that's the Canadian dollar store if you're not familiar, and Dollar Tree. So let's just jump right into this. I am going to start with Dollarama first. And for those of you not familiar in Canada, Dollarama ranges anywhere from like 82 cents up to $4. So let's jump right in. So the first item I got was this, so the brand is Lori, and it's ultra soft makeup removing towels. So I actually purchased these last year, and I wanted to see, you know, if they actually work. They're only $2 and they're fantastic. I absolutely love them. They're super soft and they completely remove makeup just by using water. So very similar to the types that you can buy at high brand stores like Sephora has them for almost $30 Canadian. So $2. So I went ahead and picked up two more, the black and this pink. Sorry for the glare, guys. This really nice pink. I also have them in white as well. So if you're in Canada, these are a super good buy. All right, so moving along. So these are just completely random items. So I picked up another one of these. I've also hauled these before. So these are just fantastic for toddlers. They are the Zach brand. I have no idea if that's a Dollarama brand, but I do see Zach quite often. And I just really love these. So if you're looking for like an alternative or a transition away from a bottle, these are fantastic. So that's what it looks like. Nice flow, great for like milk and stuff like that. It does say select the flow rate that is perfect for your child. And it has a flow valve inside of it. So love, love, love these. Super cute. Whoops, sorry guys. Super cute. This is what the front looks like. I haven't noticed though, if they have these in another like, you know, neutral type color. This is the only one that I've seen. I also picked up some Colgate. This is my toothpaste that I use. I was actually at the drugstore the other day, and this toothpaste, I'm always able to get it for $3 at Dollarama, whereas at my drugstore, it goes for close to $6. So always a good find. Picked up some Speed Stick for the spouse. It was only $2. Some batteries, $1.25. And then if you guys follow me, you know that there's always candy of the week. And I'm quite, you know, I don't really stray away from my normals. So picked up some M&Ms, and I talked about how much I love Mirage. So I got another one of those. And then the last item I got from Dollarama before moving on to Dollar Tree is Hatchimals. They get these once in a while, and I'm always looking for them for the kid. She just absolutely loves these. So you get two inside here, and they're just a really good buy. So they cost $4 Canadian, whereas any standard dollar store, so like, not dollar store, sorry, but like kid store, so we still have Toys R Us in Canada, these range for about $6 or $7. Same thing with like online through Amazon or online stores. So when I see these, I always grab a few. And with Easter coming up, I thought it would be a really fun toy to put inside Easter eggs. All right, so moving on to Dollar Store or Dollar Tree. So if you guys follow me, you know how much I love the arts and crafts. So I definitely was checking out the craft section, and these are all repurchases. So I've purchased all of these before, and my kid just loves them. So super fun if you're looking for really quick, you know, on the go crafts that you can do with your child, just things that aren't going to be very messy and easy to do. These are a really fantastic option. They're all peel and stick except for the eyes. I've talked about that before, but anyways, yeah, so super easy to do. So picked up the fish, picked up an alligator, we have a monkey, picked up this seahorse, and then we did the turtle already earlier before. So they've got lots of options. They also have unicorns. They have other ones too. You can check out my other videos. I've done them before if you're interested, but yeah, you should check out your Dollar Tree if you're looking for any. And then I've also hauled this before. I just love these foam shapes. Again, really fun. The kid loves them. They're all easy because it's done with stickers, so it's just super easy for them to build their own bunnies. Comes with all the pieces inside, and I picked up 3 of those. All right, and then the last few items were these socks. So these are just Minnie Mouse socks. They've recently have a lot of like name brand Disney socks. So I just thought they were really cute. Just Minnie Mouse. They have a lot to choose from. They have lots of different Disney movies, Cars, Mickey Mouse, just lots to choose from. Picked up some Sunbeam batteries. These are just for backups. Didn't really have any purpose. I actually had no purpose at all for this, you know, venture out to dollar store today. So these are just the random items that I grabbed. And then for you guys who do follow me and have seen my videos before, you know that I am completely, you know, in love with the nails from Dollar Tree. They are only $1 and they're fantastic. If you haven't seen that video, I have a nail video that I talk all about it, but here are the new ones that I got. None of these are new designs. I have worn all of these before and they had them, so I grabbed them. I love this design. Just a lot of fun. I thought this would be really nice for the summer. Nice neutral color. All right, and that's it, guys. Like I said, no specific reason for going. It was just a random visit to the dollar stores, and I thought that I'd share with you guys what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video.